Go. Hello, guys.
Hello guys,
What are you doing?
I'm making a building in Egypt.
Mm.
And ta-da!
Wow.
Pyramid again.
Pyramid wall?
Yes, pyramid of Egypt. The pyramid have a mummy.
Inside, there's a mummy inside the pyramid.
Yes. And then this one goes over. And this is the tower. This is Egypt again. Egypt, a mum have and inside have new grades boys.
Ooh.
The Montgolfier A. The
Okay.
Montgolfier A. And this one have
This one is nice.
the Montgolfier have party on it. Party. And we're gonna go upstairs, up there. Look. I can show you. We're going to
Okay,
make
show
the
me.
sun on the sideways.
Put it sideways. Oh,
Oh.
what happened?
Oh,
Oh, make it a new one.
yes, I'm making a new one. Yes, I'm making a new one. And now we're going to make it again. This is the Montgolfier A. It have Egypt and Montgolfier. And we're going to put in this and top, pump, and oh! No! It jumped. It popped out. What? Do you see that? It popped out. It popped out, Daddy.
Yes.
That's so silly. It popped out. It popped out.
Say subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye-bye. It's bye-bye.
Natthew and Dad's time.
It's Sandbox time. Ta-da!
Wave your hand. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.